Hi guys, let's test out some new makeup products together. This is from Pierre Cardin. I recently came across this brand and मैंने Google किया तो मुझे पता चला कि 50 years से makeup बना रहे हैं and the products were actually really nice. So I thought why not test them out. Starting off, fixing spray. I always use a fixing spray first because I feel like foundation blends better, it stays longer. Next up is their CC cream. CC creams are my favorite in summers because they don't feel very heavy on the skin. It also has SPF in it. We'll blend it like I usually blend my foundation. I think it looks so flawless on the camera. Also in person, it's like my skin but better. What do you guys think? Let's put on some concealer. Ooh, I love the packaging, it's so sleek. Let's see how these perform. The under eyes look very concealed and it's not cakey at all. To set my face, I'm again using the Pierre Cardin compact powder. My favorite part, putting blush on my face. It is such a beautiful dusty rose color, perfect for summers. I love the color. If you know me, you would know that I'm a sucker for volume and curling mascaras. This says roll, act, lashes, curl and volume. Lekin usse pehle, I'm going to use their eyeliner pencil Kohol. This is basically a Kohol. I don't usually use Kohols, but today I just want to try something new, so let's do that. I did not expect it to be this pigmented in black. Time for mascara. I'm super excited. The fact that my eyelashes look so voluminous and not clumpy, this is a star. शदीद दिल कर रहा है कि मैं ये कोल को आंखों के अंदर भी लगा लूं. So your girl went a little crazy with lipsticks. I got all of them. If you ask my husband, वो कहेंगे सारे same colors हैं. So I love the fact that this applicator is not putting excess lipstick on my lips, just the right amount. Now that my makeup is done, it's time to wear an outfit that complements the makeup. Am I in love with my makeup or am I in love with my makeup? It looks so flawless, so full coverage, and it feels so lightweight on my skin like I'm wearing nothing. I cannot believe that I didn't come across this brand sooner. Got all of the products from Vegas.pk. You guys should go shop as well because these products will not disappoint.